What's happened? What are we gonna do?
No comment.
Charlie's not very happy because we were gonna go get some food for Brekkie and his bike's not starting. I think he's fucked it up somehow. So he might not get his deposit back.
So we are getting ready for what, Ashley?
The Fort's walking track.
Yep, we're gonna see, I think they said 1 to 10 wild koalas. So that'll be pretty cool. Ashley and Charlie are gonna ride their mopeds and I'm gonna catch the bus.
It's only a 5-minute bus anyway, so. And then after, we gotta ride the bikes back and you can just come straight back here.
Yeah, they gotta return the bikes for 2 p.m. because
And
they
then
only
we got-
hired them for 24 hours.
It's a half an hour before they get
This is gonna be a fun walk. Great start. I'm here. It's tipping it down. Ashley and Charlie aren't in sight and I have no phone signal. So I just got to hope they turn up soon. Actually, I was just being blind. They are here. Look at this view.
This was worth $4 grand.
Gee, this rain is so bad. And it's a 2-hour walk. So we've spoken to some people that we've walked past and they said they saw 6 koalas still. So it's looking promising. Found our first koala. Or Charlie spotted it. And he's soaking wet.
So sad.
But so are we.
Yeah, isn't it? Oh. We just walk straight through. Wait, let me go in there. And take video of this. Stay out there and take video of this.
Oh. Stinks.
Oh, no, I don't know.
At least that's the thing.
Where are we?
In a dark room.
Hello.
Put the torch away.
Huh?
Put the torch away.
Man.
Put the torch away.
Oh, I can see.
Rabbit, run.
You got to do.
Have his fun. Wait, hang on, let me just replace mine.
There we not. I'm soaking wet. And I will probably
stuff to hospitals?
sick.
Charlie's going for a scenic piss with a view.
Make sure you get the stream, alright? Your pocket's tiny.
Can't see a stream.
I'm struggling.
Charlie's got stage fright.
That's what we're getting. Did you see anything?
There was no stream.
Oh, there was a stream.
I found something interesting. We're in the fort.
This is the fort.
The fort of the Fort's Walk. Look at that view.
That really is something, eh?
That could be worse. We could be working right now.
Yeah, we shouldn't be this ungrateful.
1 o'clock right now.
Oh my god, I'm back. The boys took their mopeds to return. I so hope they get their deposits back. So I'm back by myself. I'm gonna get in the shower. Hopefully it's warm water because yesterday it was only cold water.
What are we doing?
We're looking at some parakeets. You got some in the gutter here.
And there's loads
Some
up
here.
in the
They
tree.
got orange, yellow, green, blue,
Very
yellow.
colourful
Got a bit
birds.
of everything on there.
Some of the sexiest birds in the world.
That's what they say.
Hopefully we can feed them. I think we can. Oh my god. Oh, they're beefing, they're beefing. Whoa.
Ashley, smile.
There's so much going on right now.
I think we made a terrible mistake by booking a flight to Cairns because the greyhounds have gone ahead today and yesterday, which means our greyhound will probably still go ahead tomorrow.
We don't know how much it will cost to get to the airport.
Yeah.
Where's the Greyhound bus? It won't cost us anything to get
We
to.
can cancel our flight for flight credit, but what if we cancel it and then overnight the road does flood? We don't know what to do. It's a new day. We've checked out.
It's a new life.
And where are we going, Isaac?
The koala park. We're gonna touch some koalas.
Our hostel has a koala sanctuary.
finger a koala. Yeah. It's gonna enjoy it.
These are chlamydia-free koalas.
But there's always time.
And then regarding mine and Ashley's flight tonight, we've decided we're going to cancel it. We have to pay a fee to cancel, but we'll get refunded the rest. And we're still going to get on our Greyhound because by the looks of it, it's going ahead and it's looking pretty dry outside.
Turtles can never truly be domesticated. If given the opportunity, they will still bite.
Good boy.
They are curled up in a little ball facing the extinction to their fur. So the koalas
Oh, Ashley's got her
they're
legs
wildlife
going.
degree. And now I also have a zoology degree as well, which I obtained just before moving here. Who's a kid now?
So echidnas, male echidnas have 4 penises. Only 2 of them work.
Does it stress these animals?
He feels a little bit like a pine cone.
Yeah.
So storming here is found all through Central Australia. Big smile to the camera. This is not the most terrifying thing you have ever done. This is everything you came to Australia to do.
Smile.
You're doing great. Big smile.
Confidence.
My head's nowhere near. You're fine.
You're chill. Oh, I can feel her muscles like tensing.
And I've got her for you.
Oh, that feels so weird.
It's like
Oh.
moist, but she's not moist. Don't say that word, please. She's slimy, but she's not slimy.
Nah, she's not slimy.
Give her a really big smile to the camera. Like this
I
is
can't
everything.
smile. That's enough. Oh my god.
You did great. You did great. Like we can at zoos, you can have like corn snakes, ball pythons, reticulated pythons, but general rule of thumb to get it.
Now time to make our way to the ferry terminal to get back for our birds. Guys, it's our last ever Greyhound.
Yay! Is this making
We
you
made
happier?
it. I would say the
This
6
making you
hours
happier?
dragged. Now we're on a 15-minute walk to the hostel and it's bloody raining. So we thought we were in a room away from the party, but you can hear it because it's right there. It's a dry hostel and here's the free drinks from our room. That's hilarious. This is our room.
Charlie, somebody left their vape there if you want some.
We've only got top bunks, but because we're here for 8 nights, we will claim bottom bunks as soon as people start checking out.